Hi, teachers. In Google Classroom, you could get overwhelmed by the amount of emails that you get when you are enrolled in multiple Google Classrooms. So I'm going to show you right now how you could turn off your notifications in your email if you'd like to do this, or if you're enrolled with someone else's class and you don't want to get notifications from that teacher when you're working with that teacher, but you don't want to get notifications from their students. I'll show you how to do that. So it's extremely simple. You want to go to Google Classroom. You do not want to go into one of your classes. You want to be inside a Google Classroom where you can see all your classes. Click on this sidebar over here, these little three lines. Go all the way at the bottom. You're going to see settings. So go to settings. When you're inside of settings, if you didn't want to receive notifications at all, boom, you don't receive any notifications if you did that. But you could also select like what you don't want to receive comments from or emails from. So it says work and post from other teachers would be that, right? Or if you just want to go into class notifications, you could go down to other classes you're in and select which ones you don't. So like for this one, I'm not the teacher of this class. I could just go here and turn those notifications off. So I think that will help a lot of you, especially if you're working together with other teachers and you don't want to get emails, like 100 emails from their students. So feel free to use that. Good luck teaching online.